adada workmates mid to nga ada na panag-dolphin sighting ngayon. So rinanta na talaga DJ sir. So kung na dagiti kadwa mi data intemot kitan baring mapagasatan kasi hamid kanayon nga ada sir. So kung nami so around 5 AM nag-organize kay grupo mi. Actually duwa nga bangka sir. So napang kami J laot around 5 AM. So till 7 agpulpuligos kami J base sir. Babe batog pagudpud banggi ken Burgos kami sir. Medyo natao nga min. So 2 hours nagpulpuligos kami sir, medyo nag-give up kami kasi 2 hours imagine mo na sir. So after DJ, ada nakita DJ fisherman tay nag-drive yung boat nga adda tulingan when no dumadara iti language tayo. So kung ano ada tulingan ditan adda dolphin. So DJ na pandakinitan. After few minutes ada giant sir as in nagadunga dolphin sa baliwen.
So, how did it feel like, sir, na makakita yung dolphin dyan tao?
Simgar amin nga dot medyo raw video mi sir kat na call me agad iriyak kami kasi sabay feeling na talaga makita ng dolphin. Actually, kung napa DJ nang drive ka dyan motor ket best view J ayan ko kasi kinsango as in makita as in pinaglagtuta. So DJ sir.
So around mga manungatang dolphins sir?
Roughly 50 kasi sabal-sabaling nga location sir. Hamod nga aggagudan nga nagparang sabal-sabaling nga area sir.
Yes sir. So panagkunayo sir, itartarayan da kayo, magilumlumbada kada kayo or were they swimming with the bangka?
Kung namot di gizay nang drive jay motor sir, makiayayam da ka ni kadya bangka, makililin lumbada sir. So take term da nga lumba-lumba kung nadano ka sir. Kasi lumba-lumbat kung nada ka dolphin ito native nga language tayo kasi makilin lumbada kan kadigay motor. So makininayam da siguro sir.
Lumba-lumbat tawag tayo kanina.
When sir lumba-lumbat awag ti Ilocanon sa sir.
Okay.
So panagawag dito yan tayo sir.
When sir. So first time niyo makakita ni dolphin sir in the wild?
In the wild sir, adayo sir. Ngem that close sir. As in nga makita apermi around awan pa may sa metro first time ko sir nga kasipad ka ado sir in the wild.
Yes sir. So did mo na nga time sir nga nakakita ka dito yung lain?
When sir at the sir mga far sighting lang kasi ang kami mo talaga nadantain mapan sir. Medyo ito lang igit by kasi sir.
So kung nadigito ng kadwa kanya yung fisherman sir, regular nga not regular normal laingin nga dati dolphin sightings.
Timot imbaga da sir kasi sinuertuan ngem adadalata times talaga kano nga addadag para nga dolphin sir.
So dati panagbuyat i dolphin dito sir, may provide talaga a service dagiti mga anak?
Saan sir? Kas lang inorganize mo lang kasi kaya timid ma-witness nga adda talaga dolphin. So determine pa kat team dolphin. So napang kam nagkita nga talaga hunting talaga sir nga kita baring adda makita.
So bale do apang ka bale man no kayo amin group user?
16 nga mostly kat agop obra ito pagod pod Adventist Wellness Center sir.
So in your opinion sir, napintas ka di agud dawayan daytoy ti iliyo pagbalinan nga tourist attraction or nasaysaya at nga we leave them alone?
I think balance dapat sir. Mayat nga the opportunity nga makita tayo digay kasi nagpintas nga view sa Baltic nana and at the same time being responsible of kadijay nga event no sir.
Yes sir. So kasi idam na ti regional idama po DJ sir dagitoy mga laptat tamay sa kadagiti problema dagiti nang atong arod na presyo ti petrol. So do you think napintas pa nga pang nayon dati dati pagsapulan dan awan ti maalad nga ikan baka kahit dati agitor.
When sir, kasi aside from dolphin, ti makikita dapat ito sir kat butanding. Alam makikita nga agilala iti Facebook mataga pagudpud at dada butanding sir. So nga, I think it's a good opportunity pero at the same time, it's about responsibility for that matter po.
Yes sir. So, tila mao ang question ko sir baka no kayat yo apalagi pan digiti in the future dati mo kayat mapandita at digiti nas kento O'Brien tapno tikas taged anda yung may exploit digiti nga animals.
Okay sir. I'll start kadigizay tattao nga mapan sir dapat physically fit, dapat the life best da kasi medyo ada user na tao. So permi nakad adult na pananmi and at the same time to the government to nga mag-handle to kadijay. I think kailangan natin i-protect as much as possible. Opo, para nga ma-exploit.
Mi kadagiti kaubraan mi nga napan nagboting-boting ket nakakita da iti dolphins kano. Iso nga inayaban nangaramid kami mat iti iti grupo mi nga mapan kitain dagi dolphin. Itatan na ranaan mi mat isoda, sir.
So did they invite you guys to join them, or?
First, I was like, I don't know if we're gonna see anything because we were like riding around and there were no dolphins. And then all of a sudden, like we saw them like jumping out of the water, and I was like, "Whoa, that's cool! Like I've never seen dolphins before. It was sick."
And I heard from Sir Clifford that you had to go to the middle to look for the dolphins. Were you a bit scared because I don't know, there might be shark or big fish out there?
I wasn't really scared, but I did think for a second that we weren't gonna see any because we had to ride around for a while. And at first I was thinking like, man, maybe we won't see them this morning. And then all of a sudden we like turned and started going towards one of the other boats, and they're like, they see dolphins. I was like, whoa, how did they know? But then we got over there, and there must have been like 20 or 30 dolphins jumping, and it was super cool.
And would you say they were playing with you guys, or were they running away from the bangkas?
They were kind of playing. Like they would dive, like they would come up in front of the boat and like ride along next to it, and it was almost kind of like they were riding along with the boat.
So a lot of Ilocanos are actually not aware that there are dolphins here. So do you think the government should take advantage of this, maybe use this as a tourist attraction, or do you think it would be best if we just leave them alone?
I think it's really cool to offer people a meaningful way to interact with nature in a way that still respects nature. And I also think it's really great not for the government to offer a service, but also for people to support the local fishermen, to pay the fishermen to take them out there, because the fishermen are the ones who are familiar with the dolphins' behavior. The fishermen are the ones who know how to be respectful of the dolphins. And so it's good to share that, but also to be respectful of the dolphins and how we interact with them.
This is a little bit off topic. I'd just like to know, what can you say about the beaches here in Ilocos Norte?
Oh, the water here is fantastic. Love swimming. We go down to the beach fairly often. We like swimming there. The water is very beautiful.
Shock circuit first time ko nga makakita ti Kasyay nga kaado kasi more than 50 siguro, 50 or more than DJ narag shock circuit sa sabali tirik na ti maaktualam talaga nga makita DJ dolphins.
From Ilocos Norte, ay from Pagudpud kayo?
When sir, taga Pagudpud.
Yan before that, ma'am, aware kayo nga may dolphins dito yung Pagudpud?
Haan sir, anak aware.
So, ang subli kayo ito kita yung dolphins?
When sir, kam kitan man di botanding ka no.
We woke up, around like 4:30 or 5 in the morning, because the best chance of seeing them would be like in the morning when they're out like getting their food. And so we woke up and we were kind of behind schedule, and so I was kind of like, oh shoot, we're not gonna see the dolphins, like they're gonna be all gone. And our boat actually like stopped working for a little bit too, but then that went back up and it was fine. And I was getting a little discouraged, but then after a little bit, like we started turning around going back to shore, and I thought that was it. But then yeah, we saw the dolphins jumping out of the water, and it was really cool to see. That was my first time like seeing dolphins in the wild as well.
And according to ma'am, you're going back to look for the butandi. Do you know what butandi is? The whale shark.
Oh, the whale shark! There are whale sharks there?
Yeah.
What? I want to see a whale shark. That'd be really
Yes,
cool
we're
to
going
see.
back.
That'd be cool.
Like I agree with everything everyone's been saying. It was just it was really a beautiful experience. Yeah, I've seen dolphins, maybe on the internet, but there's something different about seeing them in their natural habitat with my own two eyes. It just gave me an even deeper appreciation for the Philippines, but specifically this region, and just all there is to offer. The wildlife, the people, the beaches. It's just such a beautiful area with so many wonderful, unique things, and it was just a really special thing to be a part of.
Daytoy adamag, ket isagsagot kada kayo ni Mrs. Aida ganuti si Alexander Kihaway ken Jasmine Salohalo iti Barangay 20, San Pablo, San Nicolas.